About geology, I was wondering if you can tell my friend about it. First, what is geology?
Georgia, thank you for asking me the question. The word geology consists of two components. Geo means earth. Logy means study. So geology is the study of earth. It is the science dealing with nature and earth history. Geologists study rock and stones so that they can learn about how the earth was formed and what happened to the earth in the past. Your second question.
Oh, my second question would be, what kinds of rocks and crystals do you have at your house? And can you show us what they look like?
Oh, that is a great question. Certainly, geologists like to collect different kinds of rocks and minerals. I have 3 specimens to show you. The first one, it looks like this. It's a kind of rock which looks like a chalk, but it is not chalk. It is called diatomite. And this rock doesn't look like it had any sand in it. Normally, when you look at rock, you may see a lot of sands, but not in this case. This is the rock that is composed of entirely microfossils, but you cannot see them by your eyes. But under the microscope, you will see tons of microfossils that are the remnants of marine animal and plants. But think about, those animals and plants used to live in the marine water, but now it's in the mountain. Geology would like to answer all these kind of questions. The second specimen I have is a crystal. I got it from Mexico, called fluorite. If you look at it closely, you see the crystal forms, which looks like a cubic. Geology called this crystal form crystal habit. You know, habit, if you have good friends, you don't have to see them, but you can just tell who they are by looking at what they are, what they behave. And the crystals have special crystal habits. And that help us to tell what kind of crystal you are dealing with. And the third specimen I have is called Geode. I got it from Venezuela in my trip back 20 years ago. And Geode is a kind of special thing. We'll talk later about it. But inside here, you see amethyst crystals that looks purple.
It looks like just like quartz, or like, it's kind of like amethyst and like quartz, and yeah, a few different things. But another question is, where do you go to study about rocks and minerals?
Okay, geologists study rocks from the outcrops in the field. Crystal and special minerals mostly are found in geodes, like just I show you, okay? A geode is a long rock, look like this, but it has a hollow cavity, and that is lined up with crystals. You mentioned amethyst is like a quartz. Indeed, it is a kind of quartz. What makes it look different is because it has a manganese inside a crystal that makes it look purple.
Another question is, What do you like about geology?
Oh, that's a good question. Geology is a natural science. By gathering information that we get from the study of rocks, minerals, and fossils, we know what had happened to the Earth in the past. For instance, now we know very well about periodical climatic changes that rarely happen to the Earth. It was much cooler 12,000 years ago than now. It makes me feel good when you can generate data that help us understand more about our Earth.
Oh, one thing is, well, some of my classmates not know one of the coolest ways that you think it is to study about rocks.
The coolest thing, that's a great question. I can take hours, but I want to just make it short. It is fascinating to observe rocks under a microscope. I'm a paleontologist specialized in microfossils. Those fossils are very, very small, only like 1/10 of the cross-section of your hair. So you cannot see them at all using your naked eyes. Just think about what I showed you before. There are tons of microfossils inside a rock, but you cannot see by eye. But you can see it using microscope, the good microscope. Good microscope can blow up things by like 2,500 times. And the microscope really opens up an entirely new world to geologists. And we appreciate that very, very much. Microfossils are so beautiful. They all are beautiful. And indeed, like being specially designed. It is cool that we see something people normally won't be able to see. This is the coolest thing I like. Any more questions?
No, I only had 5 questions.